Shopify, a quick and easy Shopify tutorial for beginners. Learning how to use Shopify can feel overwhelming at first. After all, Shopify is a comprehensive e-commerce platform that enables you to grow a business in country-less ways with tons of flexibility and control. In other words, there are a lot to consider. For example, before you can selling online, you need to set up a Shopify account, customize your website, and add a configure product, set up a domain, configure your payment settings, getting your site ready to go live. The list goes on. Thankfully, Shopify is made for everyone. It does not matter whether you have a degree in computer engineering, or you struggle to set up an email account, you can learn how to use Shopify today. This article will show how to use Shopify step by step. By the end of this Shopify guide, you'll have to setup by setup. In end of this Shopify guide, you will have working online store and will be able to start taking orders. Sound good? Alright, let's go started. Think of starting a Shopify store. Start a free trial trophy. Shopify basics. What do you need to know? Before we dive into the Shopify tutorial, let's see the scenes. What is Shopify exactly and what can you do with it? In short, Shopify is a complete business solution. The platform started as an e-commerce website builder, but today it's much more than that. You can now use Shopify to do things like build online store, choose a Shopify theme and customize the appearance of your store, customize the functionality of your store with more than 600 Shopify apps. Sell digital products, physical products and services. Sell on Amazon, person online or via third-party sales channel be like a eBay and Facebook. Manage inventory, orders and shipping. Market your business with integrated marketing tools, monitor analytics to extract insights to prove your business. Frankly, Shopify is pretty freaking cool. How to use Shopify